Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can use voucher on Opay and use cashback on Opay. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Vouchers can come from various sources including promotions, partner offers, or rewards programs. Locate them within the vouchers section of your Opay app. Each voucher has specific terms and conditions, including its expiration date, applicable services, and minimum purchase amount. Read these carefully before claiming or using the voucher. Some vouchers require claiming before use, while others might be automatically applied. Ensure you claim any necessary vouchers to activate them during checkout. For eligible services, select the voucher you wish to use. The discount will be reflected in the final payment amount. Opay rewards you with cashbacks on various transactions like airtime purchases, bill payments, or shopping through partner merchants. These rewards accumulate in your wallet. Once you have sufficient cash back accumulated, you can utilize it for subsequent transactions on Opay, reducing your purchase cost. Some merchants might offer specific cashback redemption options within their stores. Track your earned and available cash back through the cashback section of your Opay app. This helps you plan your spending and maximize your savings. So that's basically how you can use voucher on Opay and use cashback on Opay. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.